those clouds. Oops, wrong window. You got that over here, over there. Thunder. Oh, a couple sprinkles of water. Got some good old-fashioned lightning going on there. Stop, make a deposit in the mailbox real quick. Downtown rainstorm. About to happen. The humidity is wild. Those clouds. Let's see what we got going on over here. Well, I thought it was gonna do a little lightning for me, but it's gonna wait until I turn it off. That thunder sounds like what it sounds like when you're in like a drainage, you know, going under like a bridge or something, and you're in the drainage pipe. That's what it sounds like boom, 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 echoey sounding. And then over here, not so much.